Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage, and today I'm going to show you around a lovely Honda Jazz that's just come in part exchange with us. This is a 2018 1.3 SE VTEC with the optional sat-nav system built in. Now, as you can see, this car is finished in metallic silver with the silver metallic wheels as well. And this has a mainly black but with a sort of silver fleck, grey fleck insert on the seats. So you've got plenty of room in there. They're in nice condition. There's no rips or tears. Certainly no nasty smells or anything like that. So this car has been well looked after. One of the trump cards with the Honda Jazz is its capability to not be a people carrier or one of the SUV worlds, but gives you a lot of their versatility. So plenty of room in the back for 3 adults, plenty of space there. And if I just pull this lever forward, what it enables you to do is actually not just fold the back of that seat down, but can you see the base comes down as well to allow the seat to lie completely flat. So if you're at one of the shops where you're going to be carrying something large, when you open the tailgate, it actually opens up into a big opening. The parcel shelf is removable as well if you need it to be, but then you can actually move both of those parts of the seat down to create a very big level area, which is unusual. Now, so you can see this one has rear parking sensors. It also has front parking sensors as well, so helps to try and make life in those tight spots a little bit easier. And then when we move up into the front, you can see that you've got a leather steering wheel, you've got a 6-speed manual gearbox, and you've also got a couple of power supplies, 2 cup holders. You've got an HDMI, a USB, and a 12-volt power inlet. You've got air conditioning, everything's got that nowadays, and quite a big sized nav screen. So that's got a DAB radio, Bluetooth hands-free, and satellite navigation. Now, this particular car has only covered 49,000 miles and has been serviced 6 times, believe it or not. So it's been very well looked after. When it leaves us, it will leave us with a new MOT as well as a 12-month warranty. Now, hopefully this video has given you a brief little view, a little tour around the car. It's in lovely order. We're not expecting it to hang around, to be honest, because Honda Jazzes are very popular, certainly in this area. But if you have any questions, please come back to us. Bye-bye.